Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get wheat in Hytale. Now, as you can see right here, I found wheat in the wild, and you can press F to harvest this wheat. If you're wondering where I am right here along this terrain. So you need to look for wheat in such terrains. And of course, the other way to go ahead and get wheat is farming for it. So if we go back to our spawn point right here, we'll just come back here and we will go ahead and show you my farm. So if I come back, as you can see, I have this farm that I was setting up, and all you need to do to get wheat is you actually need to come here to the farmer's workbench, press F to access this, and then after that you need to just come here and click on this section right here for seeds. And as you can see, it lets you get a wheat seed bag. So this one right here will cost me 2 essence of life, and I can craft this using the farmer's workbench. And once you get your wheat seed bag, you can go ahead and plow this. So here, make sure you have a hoe, you have a watering can as well. And then what you do is you just go ahead and take your hoe, you till your land. As you can see, once your land has been tilled, all you need to do is go ahead and plant these seeds. So here are my seeds. Just come here, right click. I'll go ahead and take my watering can. I'll go ahead and water right there, and it will go ahead and grow. You just have to give it some time, and then you can harvest it. If you're wondering how to get a watering can, you just come here, press F, and you click on this section. Here you'll see the empty watering can. You just need 3 iron ingots, and you can go ahead and craft that as well. But that is how you can go ahead and get wheat in Hytale. Now, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.